The Met Office has extended the yellow level adverse weather alert to 4 p.m. tomorrow, Tuesday. Meanwhile, the Office of Disaster Preparedness has advised persons residing or working in flood-prone or landslip-prone areas to be extra vigilant and to take the necessary steps to preserve life and property. And here's our meteorologist, Ian Wallace, with more on the weather.
And that's correct, Mahalia. The bulletin, which was issued on Sunday at 4 p.m. now goes on until next week, Tuesday, and we continue to see up until 4 p.m. on Tuesday possibility of street and or flash flooding, gusts of wind of 55 kilometers or above, and also we've increased the risk of landslips simply because of the additional rainfall that will continue to fall overnight and into the early part of Tuesday. You can see here on the satellite picture the reds and the oranges and those whites where you see the extreme rainfall coming through. A lot of the heavier bursts occurring in parts of eastern Trinidad. We will likely see most of the rains continuing overnight and into a Tuesday. Additional 50 millimeters of rainfall is possible. We did see that in the Sandy Grande and also in the Central Range. We could be seeing another 50 millimeters as you go through Tuesday. That's because you see the orange colors there. That's where you could be seeing some of the heavier bursts of rainfall coming through, and also the possibility of thunder showers as well erupting, accompanied by those gusty winds into Tuesday. So no surprise then that the forecast continues to bring periods of rain with the possibility of a thunder shower as well. There is a medium to high risk of a thunder shower or a downpour as you go through this evening and overnight, and especially for those eastern areas of the country. Possibly a mild night around 24 degrees Celsius for the most part, and then on a Tuesday morning continue to see the rather rainy and cloudy conditions continuing into Tuesday. Those are strong easterly winds of 20 to 25 knots offshore will bring occasional choppy seas out in the Atlantic, 2.5 meters, maybe stretching to 3 the further east you head, but around the Caribbean we're looking at 2 to 2.5 meters through Tuesday. And also we've got the full moon in effect, so you could be seeing those tides higher than normal as you go through the next day or two. So that's the weather, and that's it from me.